Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some carrot and potato fritters. So here we go. So one thing I want to say before I start anything, I lost some footage. So I'll just, while I'm cutting up some sweet peppers, as you see I'm doing here, I'll explain to you the ingredients required for this recipe. So I started with, I have like 4 medium-sized potatoes, right? And I had some carrot, a piece of carrot. And in the footage that I had 2 pieces of carrot, but I only used 1 piece of carrot. So that's basically, like I said, 5 medium-sized potatoes, a piece of carrot, and I have some seasoned peppers that I'm chopping up here, maybe about 5 or 6, because they're quite small, and I use a variation of color to get, like, you know, to get the some nice color in my fritters, maybe some green ones, yellow ones, and that sort of thing. So that's what I wanted to say for the ingredients. Before I go any further, please like, comment, and subscribe, right? Before you go any further. And also, I want to mention too, I have a t-shirt shop with some designs that I did myself. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below. And also, too, if you're not interested in doing that, you can buy me a virtual coffee. The link for that in the description is in the description box below as well, so you can get more information about that. So now that I've covered all of that and give you the list of ingredients for this, let's get into the recipe. Again, like you see I'm doing here, I'm cutting up the sweet peppers. So we'll proceed with the other part of the recipe. Okay, so here's the potato and the carrot that I grated up here. There's a lot of moisture in the potato and the carrot, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze out that extra water and stuff and proceed with the recipe. So I'm just basically going to, like I said before, I'm going to squeeze out the excess liquid from the grated potato and carrots. See how much moisture is in that? Look at that. What's going to happen when you leave all that extra moisture, you'll have to add more flour, you know, to bind it together. So now I'm going to add the seasoned peppers that I cut up finely. Add that in there. So I have here some, this is some onion salt, garlic powder, a generous amount, parsley flakes, black pepper, chili powder. You could season this any way that you like. You can add that in, mix everything together. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm just going to mix that in. So I'm done mixing everything in together. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take like a handful of the batch and I'm going to make bowls this time. Just compress it together, pack it together like that. Do a nice little carrot and potato ball, baby. Well, actually we're making fritters, so fritters in the shape of a ball. Just do one more. Now I've seen some recipes, other variants of this variation of this recipe, people add egg, and I try to avoid adding eggs to recipes like these to keep it as natural as possible. But of course in this case I had to add the flour to bind everything together. But as I did it last night for dinner, I made these last night for dinner and I didn't add any egg and they came out perfectly. So you could make this without any egg, without adding any egg. Alright, I said I'll do one more, so this is the last one. Okay, so I'm going to put some oil to hot on the pot, steady fire at medium, and put these to fry. Okay. Okay folks, that is my carrot and potato recipe for today. It's really nice and it's quite delicious, and it's easy to make. You could use instead of chopping up all those ingredients, you could use you know, something simple like use a dry ingredients and make a fast, you know, make it fast and easy. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.